Oh, hey, the one guy that watches all my videos, you're back. Well, if you got a bunch of these little M12 batteries and you're on the M12 Milwaukee platform, sooner or later you're gonna start breaking these tabs off here. I don't know why, but lately I've broke probably 6 of these, and just over the last few months. So, and what happens when you use your tool, the battery wants to slide out and then your tool stops, and it's very frustrating. So it's very difficult to find a replacement cap for the case that has the tabs on it. But I've got a bunch of them, and I'm going to leave a link in the description to my store where you can get these. These are going to be about $9, free shipping. But when you're repairing a good quality Milwaukee battery, it's peanuts. It definitely makes it worth picking up a few of these. Here's one that I've already replaced. You can see the tab where it just breaks off there, and they kind of crack down the top. So in order to do this, you're going to need a security bit set, and this is just the Harbor Freight, the Bauer security bits. And if you can see in there, see how they got the holes in the center of them? Because Milwaukee uses security screws on the bottom of their screwdrivers. So let's show you how easy it is to fix these batteries. 4 screws, and I don't even cut the decal here, the label. If you can kind of work this out right behind that label there. And there's the broken top. Here's our new one. Slide it right back in between that label. It's almost a I mean, it's a spitting image knockoff battery cover that fits perfect. I mean, the screw holes line up perfect. And that's it. I mean, just a perfect fit around there. And like I said, I've done these, I don't know, I've been using these for well over 6 months probably, and they're holding up really well. My tools take a lot of abuse, but perfect, nice solid snap, and it fits in there solid, and even releases easy. Yeah. There's one. Let's see, this is let's do one more real quick. And these are the Milwaukee, the 3.0 and up M12 batteries. Use this rectangular case, and it's a little harder to find just the top here. See, I want to do that without cutting the label. I want it to look as stock as possible. And then we'll slide the new one on right in between the label. And there it is. Another one fixed. About a 30-second fix, right? Nice, solid snap. So yeah, so I've already fixed, there's 3 of them that I've fixed today already. So that's the M12 3.0s and up. And also, even for these older style batteries here, you can tell this one is really rough. Both tabs are broke off. The top's been glued on before and it's coming back off. We can get the replacement case for them too, and I'm going to try to stock these as well. These are getting, I think, for the price, it's a little more expensive, and there's no markings. It's not like a glass fiber reinforced. This is just like a nylon, probably. And the thing about the Milwaukee that you do need to understand is that they use a fire retardant material in the battery case there, because we're dealing with lithium batteries. And I don't think these cases, these replacement cases, have that, or if they do, there's nothing on them that's marked saying that it does. But they are a nice replacement. Like I said, as bad as this battery looks, it still works really well. Or it used to before the repair. So try to gently. Okay, that took some persuasion, but it did come off. Yeah, there was just a lot of super glue up in the top there. Let's see, but good Samsung sales, let's see, 18,650, 13 Qs. Yeah, it's a little rough, but still a good battery, so let's drop it in the new case. Yeah, that's a really nice fit too. And then we just snap it in the new base here. Ooh. And there it is, this old piece of junk to a brand new case with quality Samsung cells. Yeah, nice. So just revived another battery. So yeah, I'm going to try to keep all these in stock in my store, so yeah, check out the link below, and if you have any questions, let me know. If they're not in stock right now, that means they either ran out or I've got more on order, but they should always be there. Well, thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions.